Hello everyone, this is Jerome Concepcion, an advocate of FamiSafe Child Protection and Safety Program. In today's generation, kids are more exposed to gadgets at an early age. As a form of their entertainment and for school purposes, especially now that we are currently facing a pandemic, so most of us are working online at the comfort of our home. Technology has made a huge impact in our everyday lives by communicating with our loved ones and for work purposes. As well, and with that, we should always be cautious on what we are always doing online. Mainly for the safety of the kids because they are prone to online perils. And to avoid that happen, I'll give you some tips on how to protect them from online dangers. The first one is limiting their screen time. The second, you can filter and block some websites and contents on their phones for their safety. And lastly, tell them not to give their personal information to anyone and not to trust random strangers easily. Having a parental control application like Wondershare FamiSafe is one of the best ways for us to protect and establish a good cyber etiquette for the kids. That's all. Stay safe everyone. God bless. Thank you.